So today we are making this artwork. We are using shapes in the primary and secondary colors. Okay, so let's get into it. You will need markers. You will only need red, yellow, and blue. You'll need a Sharpie or another permanent marker, pencil, water cup with a paintbrush, an aluminum foil or plastic works, but this will be our palette. Oh, there's Neo, there's my dog. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so we are working with shapes. A shape is a line. So right now this is a line. It's a line that touches itself. Then it becomes a shape. So this is still a line that becomes a shape. So we are going to make our shapes with lines, and our shapes are going to touch. This is the project. So here, let's flip it around. There. So these are like glass vases, and when the light shines through, this pink glass is allowing the blue glass to shine through, and you can see the purple. Same thing with the green. So we're first going to start by drawing our shapes. We're using paper. You can use a ruler for this part, but you don't have to. I'm going to do it first in Sharpie, but you should do it in pencil first. But I'm doing it in Sharpie so you can see. So we are going to make these shelves. These shelves that the glasses are sitting on. So how we are going to do that, we are going to draw a line and another line. So there's one shelf. We're going to have the bottom of the next shelf. You could make your shelves really short if you'd like. There you go. So I have bottom glasses on this, the full glass, and the tops of glasses down here. So, our shapes. We're looking at vases and cups. You can make up your own funky glass shape. But let's start off with this one. I think this is a classic vase shape. Thing about vases are, they are the same on this side as they are on that side. They are symmetrical. So if we were to cut this in half, it's the same over here as it is over there. And that's probably the trickiest part. While you're drawing your shapes, your vases, you want to overlap them. Have some shapes go into the other shapes. We'll do this circle shape. We'll do a triangle shape. You can have some short, some tall. We'll do a rectangle shape. Add another one. So as you can see, I have this one and this one. They are running off the page, but each vase is overlapping the one that they're next to. So we're going to do that some more down here. You don't have to do the exact shape I'm doing. It is all up to you. Then we have our bottom shapes. You only see the very bottom. Okay, so we have our vases ready. When you have it all drawn in pencil and you are happy, you need to trace the pencil over with your Sharpie or permanent marker. It does not work if you do a Crayola marker, because when we add our watercolor, the Crayola marker will bleed. It will blend. And we don't want that because we want these black lines. So, with your aluminum foil, you are going to draw, pretend like these are little piles of paint. You are going to draw a little pile of blue, a little pile of yellow, and some red. Okay, very shiny. Take your water brush, make sure it is wet, and you are going to touch the color, and as you can see, it's already on the brush like paint. And you are going to paint your vases, but you don't want the same colored vase next to each other, because then you won't be able to see the colored mixes. So right now on our palette we have the primary colors. When we mix it, those are called secondary colors: green, purple, and orange. So like you can see in here, I don't have any blues touching each other, I don't have any yellows touching each other, or reds touching each other. So let's do blue here, blue here. I'll just do this middle row and then, but I want you to do both rows. And then we're going to do some red, do red in this one. The red is turning a pink. That is okay. Pink is just a light red. But when we go over it, we can start to see a little bit of color mixing. Ooh. Clean your brush off with each new color you use. Next I'm going to do yellow. Do yellow for this one. Yellow is pretty light, so you might need to draw more marker. But you can see this yellow make green. Wait for it to focus. It made green and orange. Do some more for this one. There we go. So I want you to do all 3 rows until you have the finished product looking something like this. And it looks like beautiful glass in a window. I hope you have fun with this. Remember to send me a picture when you are done. It could be on Class Dojo, through email, or on Google Classroom. Good luck. Have fun.